already?
Yeah.
This guy has some good builds, huh?
Oh yeah, Mark.
Where'd you find this guy?
In the group. I've known him for a while from the group.
Oh, excuse me. Did you bring gas?
It's got full tank.
Yes. How about use the force to get out?
You want to go?
Let's go.
I know, I haven't even started this one for a while. It's cold out here, huh? I mean, fuck, it doesn't even sound like he wants to start. Doesn't sound like he wants to start. coming, huh?
I don't know how I'm biting you.
He's coming, I think. I wish my clutch would grab.
Oh yeah, man, I hate my clutch so
like, as soon as I hit on the power,
I never could. I know, I never could ever get clutches to grab, even with strong springs, until I found these.
Right.
And then, man, they're just something else. And I hate them because I see these guys spending all this money on these
expensive ass
complicated, ornate, or whatever you call elaborate clutches, and they don't do one. They don't grab one bit better than what these little rag joint things will.
Sucks. There he is. Oh no, this ain't him. This is Scooters. I wonder if he's still coming.
I think he's got 2 red bars.
He's got at least gonna be 30, I would think. 25. Man, look at these. Hell yeah.
What up, bro?
What up? Yeah. Shit, you want to just go ride with them?
Hey, man, you gotta be pretty fast. Look at them.
Yeah, I'm sure they're pretty fast. That's pretty cool. People ride all kinds of shit down this trail.
You got rid of your, didn't you have a 212 on one?
Yeah, I got rid of it. That bicycle, it was a 212 bicycle.
Yeah.
But yeah, I sold it. Here he is.
There he is.
I got, I think 550 for it. But yeah. And then the guy's trying to sell it on offer for like 600 or something like that. But what's up?
Your hat fell off.
Oh, your hat fell off?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, son of a bitch.
How's she running?
Oh, it's running good.
Oh, hell yeah.
Like, once you get it like up there,
Yeah.
right now I know I at least punch 38 miles an hour.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, definitely. That's for damn sure. Hold on.
Yeah, we're pretty much there.
You know, that's one reason why I wear this helmet, is just to keep my head on.
Oh,
Hey,
right.
I to tell you, didn't it used to be you had to go that way
Yeah,
and do that way? Now it's
this
way?
is new.
Oh,
this
that's
is
what's
this
up.
part's new.
Last time I rode this shit,
Yeah,
you had to go that way and then go around.
Yeah, they blocked it off right here, and you had to go around. So, yeah, now it's just straight through. We're pretty much up the lake already. I guess it's closer than I thought. It's only like maybe 2 miles.
Once you start, this shit starts moving, it stops going.
Yeah.
And that plug, I don't know, my dad did something to it too. Because remember when you put that shit on, that little one you put, it was running flawlessly.
Oh, right.
But my dad loves fucking with shit.
Oh, shit.
Because he's like bored and shit, I understand.
Tell him to get his own motorized bike.
That's what he's looking right now. That's
Oh,
what
really?
he's trying to get, yeah.
Right.
All right, whenever you guys are ready.
Hopefully some people down here, huh? Hey, someone did a burnout. You see that? Oh yeah.
Brake stopped pretty good.
That's good. I forgot I had 11-tooth front gear up here on the front on this one. It's 11 up front and then 32.
Yeah, it didn't seem like you're turning very hard. That's what I run on my ground bike.
It runs better up top with that 11-tooth. Like it just keeps climbing up top.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know why they race with them.
I'm afraid I'm going to hit somebody down through there, man.
Oh yeah. I know this trail pretty well.
I can't hardly see.
Oh right.
Some of them are lit up good, but
Is he going? We're this way.
if you change those ape hangers, he could turn it. He could.
Oh right.
He likes those ape hangers.
I'm sure. Hey, it's cool he's out riding. So last time we met these guys, we went across the bridge, and then we met them over by that bridge that has multiple colors on it. So
I've never been over there. Is that Scottsdale over there?
No, I didn't see.
Yeah, that way is Scottsdale.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I was gonna go that way.
that is Scottsdale. That way. Yeah.
Oh, that's Scottsdale, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys can punch it, bro. I'll be behind you guys regardless. So.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. What time is it? It's 8:45. I'll probably head back around 9:30.
What time is it? Yeah, let's just go see if these guys are over here, I guess. It's really windy out, huh? Tempe Town Lake. Dude, those little scooters are fast. Like, meow, meow, electric skateboard. There you go.
Hey, those things are sick, dude.
You can tell that thing got a lot of torque.
Oh, hell yeah. Right here.
Oh.
He turned at about 2,500 RPM. Took off
That
like
shit
a
is
rocket.
sick, bro.
Yeah, don't go. I've had that.
Here they come, little flyby, baby. Here's the white, okay, the white right. Hey, how fast do you think that was there?
Not 50.
Huh?
Not 50.
On the white one or the red one?
It taking a minute to get up to 50 though.
I think if he had time, he could.
Yeah.
Hey, that's super.